Meet Sara, a 34-year-old teacher who was always tired, struggled with digestion, and dreaded summer because of heat-induced skin breakouts. One afternoon, while visiting her grandmother's village, she was handed a bowl full of juicy, pink fruits. Lychee, her grandmother smiled. "This is nature's sweet remedy for your body." Skeptical but curious, Sara started eating a handful of lychees daily. What happened next changed her relationship with food forever. A natural energy booster. Within just a few days, Sara noticed something strange. Her constant fatigue began to vanish. Lychees are rich in vitamin C and B complex, vitamins that help convert food into energy. No more dragging through the day. Sara felt more active, both mentally and physically. Skin that glows naturally. By the end of the week, even her coworkers noticed. "Your skin is glowing," they said. Lychee is loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, which promote collagen production and fight off skin-damaging free radicals. It's like a mini facial in every bite. Digestion. No more trouble. Sara, who once struggled with bloating and slow digestion, found herself feeling lighter. The high fiber content in lychee helped her digestive system run smoothly and kept her metabolism on track. Immunity shield activated. Thanks to its powerful antioxidants and vitamin-rich profile, lychee helped Sara strengthen her immune system. No more catching every seasonal flu or feeling drained after a long day. Her body became more resilient, naturally. Heart's best friend. Over time, Sara's cholesterol levels improved too. Lychee contains polyphenols and flavonoids that support heart health, regulate blood pressure, and improve circulation, keeping your ticker happy and strong. Brain health upgrade. What amazed her most was the mental clarity. The copper and magnesium in lychee improved blood flow to the brain, enhancing focus and memory. She even joked that she aced adulting with lychees. Lychee may be small, but its benefits are mighty. Just like Sara, you too can transform your health one sweet bite at a time. So next time you spot lychee in the market, don't walk past it. Embrace it. If you found this story inspiring, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe for more health secrets straight from nature. See you in the next one.